Hello, Lens.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a behind the scenes how-to video that we did recently for one of Joico's deep dive sessions, myself and Ian Davis Emrys. Ian did the haircuts, I did the colour. This is Mandy, one of my stylists, Sophie's mum, and she offered herself as a model, and we're going to completely change her look in this video, so check it out. So sectioning pattern is from about an inch away from the hairline to behind the ear. You can see that sectioning pattern, and it's the same on both sides. And this was just to isolate both the sides so I could put some illuminating panels through that front area. We wanted to lift the front as I'm explaining here, and we're going to be working with the foils placed through there. We're going to be working with 20 volt and Blonde Life. And the colour that we're going to be working with is 6NN and 6NW from the U-Flock range. So colour choice, you can see 6NN, 6NNW. The beauty of U-Flock is you're going to get 100% grey coverage, but you've got the added technology of collagen in there, which is going to soften off that grey hair that gets stubborn. It just softens it off, creates a beautiful shine. Mixing is the same, 1:1. 20 volt was used here with the Luminshine U-Flock. Protection, of course, we used Defy Damage, so sprayed that through the hair, then combed it just to make sure and give us that added texture, added security of strength and condition. So here we are, just mixing the product up, and there's the Defy Damage. Make sure you shake it before you spray it. And then the application, you can see through here. Thanks for Color Track as well for the foils. Love them. You can just see I'm just doing baby light weaves just through that paneling area. Same on both sides, and this is just to add that illumination around the front, and that's what this technique was called, the Illuminator. And I did it on both models. There was 2 models on the day. I wanted to do the same sectioning pattern, the same technique, but give a different result in using the same. But you can see here I'm putting the U-Flock at the roots, so it's not going to be a blonde foil all the way up to the root. We want to create an ombre sort of technique through these panels. And on the other model we did it right up to the root, so we could create 2 different illuminations using the same technique. So there is the U-Flock at the root, and there's me just blending in Blonde Life 20 volt, and you can see the blend because it turns out really nice sort of pinky purple. I really like that effect that we get of the sort of like crossing over, or basically contamination of 2 different colours mixing, and you can see that blend there. And then we come to apply the U-Flock formula all the way over. This was virgin hair, there was just a few existing highlights, so we took it all the way through that back panel first, just getting all those stray hairs down the bottom, started on the root and worked it through mid-lengths and ends. Processing time was 45 minutes. Rinsed with, we did a second part of the Defy Damage, so Pro Series 2. We shampooed with the Defy Damage shampoo, and there we go again, so we can see it there. And then Ian started to refine the haircuts. There's his Alpha Italia scissors there. And then Ian just started to refine. He swapped over to his littler scissors. He loves to use like a 4.5 inch just to refine the edges. So with his Alpha Italia, put a lot of the texture work and the original haircut in. And then here we have the final results. You can see the illumination around the front. Mandy absolutely loved it. That is what she said. She said to her Sophie as well that she absolutely loved it. So really happy that she loved it. But yeah, really cool end result. You can see the illumination around the front really plays off with the haircut very well. The stronger haircut edge at the bottom with the colour adds loads of density and loads of fullness, which is what we wanted to create as well. Make hair look thicker, fuller and stronger. And there we go, finished result.